So hi Vinay, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. So tell me something about the Alphi solution, what it does.
Basically, we are a UI UX design agency. We are specifically working out how we can enhance the user experience of your web application or a mobile application, and we help
Hmm.
new startups with an MVP, minimal viable product. So someone who is
Okay.
looking for a quick start, don't want to spend a lot of money in terms of research, and don't want to do a complete full-fledged product in initial days, we help them out with the complete process in a shorter format and deliver it quickly within like maybe 1 month or 1.5 month period of time.
Okay, so you specialize in UI and UX.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so can you just brief me how super sourcing helped you so far in getting repeat business in UI and UX?
So let's put it this way. We have been working with a variety of clients, and being a design agency, it happens a lot that you get a variety of inquiries. In terms, someone will come up to us with an e-commerce website. Someone will come to us. They need an support system. Someone needs an only the designing work. So we were juggling between different variety of product projects and weren't able to deliver up to the mark premium quality. What with
Hmm.
what we usually focus on. So
Hmm.
when it comes to super sourcing, what problem we sidelined with your contribution and everything, that we were getting same similar domain of product projects within regular pace, so that it was easy for me my team to work efficiently over that and
Hmm.
deliver a greater result to an customers as well. So it's a win-win situation for both of them. When it comes to client get a good knowledge about a particular domain. For example, if we are doing an e-commerce site, so we know all the hook and crooks, how what should be avoided, what should be implemented in the first
Hmm.
phase, all those things. And at the same time, we have a good knowledge, so my team can easily jump between different projects and deliver it efficiently.
Okay, so that means getting a project in one domain in which you are specialized help you in growing better and increase your profits.
Yep, it did help a lot in terms of generating revenue and saving a lot of bugs over technology stacks and everything else
Hmm.
as well.
So, do you recommend others to super sourcing?
For any day, I mean, I would be highly recommending super sourcing to both of the people. Like even if I have a client who is looking for a project which I am not able to fulfill, I would highly recommend them to go for super sourcing, because I mean, you guys would be able to connect them to the right people. And again, I
Hmm.
feel myself safe here as well, because what I am delivering, there won't be a lot of people doing the same level of UI UX and everything. So it's not like a marketplace where everyone will be there to fetch your projects or fetch your portfolio sort of thing. It's something very specific and niche to your projects, and if you are expert in that, no one will be able to get benefits out of that. It's just
True.
you who
That's
can be.
that was the idea behind coming up with super sourcing, so that agency can maximize their profit with minimum of the cost, right? So tell me something about the client. I mean, how was your experience with the client? Being the client being having a requirement in your domain, how does it help you in delivering the project fast?
Like for the super sourcing, we have done a variety of projects over the very long period of time in terms of before it was super sourcing altogether. So, for recent client that we did work for, it's was the client name is for the client is the company name is Vegam. They are from Bangalore, so they are into factory automation, all of those things. At the same time, they have their own in-house tech team. They have all the resource and everything available in-house, but they were not as comfortable as with WordPress what we deliver. So we have a very strict policy with WordPress. We give a speed commitment of 80 plus. Google page speed
Hmm.
commitment on any WordPress website that we do. We give a commitment of 5 seconds of page load time. So this was the thing
Okay.
that only we were able to do it. We were expert in WordPress, so this was very impressive for the client as well. So we
Okay.
onboarded him that quickly. It was very quick process for the conversion and everything, and then we just started working on it. And for them, this might look like a very good result and everything. For us, this is a casual process, because we have been working on, we have till now delivered somewhere around 150 WordPress websites. So we
That's
know
great.
all the in and outs, how it should be done
Hmm.
and everything. We recommended clients to upgrade few of the things that they were doing, and it wasn't like a very fruitful experience and great deal.
And we are also happy to know that super sourcing is making some of the major and positive contribution in the journey of Alpha solution. And hopefully we'll be able to serve you better in future also and take your growth to the next level.
Yeah, I mean, I would love to call it an official association, and in such a way that we like every IT agency or a design agency is looking for growth and everything, and it gets very difficult for a design. Like for me, I myself as a design prospect, and I do a lot of design and stuff. And when it comes to
Hmm.
marketing and sales, we are very bad at that. Not extremely good at that, but we good with conversion. So we have a very good quality of work. So whenever someone walks into us, we explain them, it's a higher chance that we'll be converting. But getting new
Hmm.
clients is a difficult process, which
Hmm.
frankly speaking, I can't now start over it and think over it. So where this
Hmm.
super sourcing comes in, they they connect me to the client, and the conversion is something that I can take care of easily.
So
So it's like
that is the
great.
reason we figured out in the journey of 6 to 8 years, like what is the reason the IT companies are not growing, and then we come up with the thing like the profitability is not there, which is required for the growth. And
Correct.
then we realize, right, profitability will definitely comes in when there is a repeat business in one domain in which the company is specialized, team is specialized, so they can deliver faster in a lesser time with the better quality, with the higher client satisfaction. So that hence we are here with super sourcing, and I'm happy to see. I mean, we are serving the purpose.
No, no, you are
Thank you,
doing
Vinay.
more. You are doing great, more than good. I would say you are doing excellent job, and I'm really thankful for all the support and everything that you have guys given till now. And we hope to work on more projects soon.
Definitely, definitely.